In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart easily on Canva. By the end, you'll know the fastest way to set up clean, connected steps without getting lost in menus or complicated tools. Start by opening your Canva project. This can be any design you're already working on, a presentation slide, a document, or a blank canvas. There's no special template required for this quick method, and it works the same across most Canva layouts. Give yourself a little room to work by zooming in or out so you can see the whole area where your flowchart will live. Next, insert a shape. Any shape will work, but a simple rectangle is the standard for flowcharts because it keeps each step easy to read. Place the rectangle on your canvas where you want your first step to begin. If you like, you can type a short label directly inside the shape so it's clear what that step represents. Keep labels brief and consistent to make your chart easier to scan. Now, click the shape you just added. When it's selected, you'll notice small arrows or connector handles appear around its edges. These are your built-in flowchart tools. Hover over one of those arrows, click, and drag it outward. As you drag, you'll see a connector line forming. If you have another shape on the canvas, drag the connector to that shape and release. Canva will snap the line into place, creating a neat arrow that points from your first step to the next. This is the quickest way to establish direction in your flow, and it removes the need to draw arrows manually. A helpful thing to know here is that these connectors remain attached. If you move either shape later, the arrow follows along and adjusts automatically, keeping your layout tidy. That means you can rearrange steps without breaking your flow, which is great for refining your chart as your ideas evolve. If you want your chart to read clearly, leave a little space between shapes so the arrows don't overlap and keep shapes aligned. Canva's smart guides will help you line things up as you drag. You can also keep your shapes the same size so each step feels equal in importance. Short, consistent phrasing in each rectangle makes the whole flowchart easier to understand at a glance. And that's it. Open your project, add a rectangle, click it to reveal the connector arrows, then click and drag to point to another shape. With this simple approach, you can build clean, connected flowcharts in minutes.